Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Nitrate Supplements is probably one of the most talked about supplements in the fitness and health world, with claims ranging from improved athletic performance to better heart health. But do these supplements really live up to the hype? In this video, we'll cut through the marketing jargon and explore the science behind nitrate supplements, examining their potential benefits, risks, and how to choose the right product for your individual needs, so you can make an informed decision about incorporating them into your routine. Number 5. L-Arginine Capsules for Active Males. It's a powerful 1,200 mg blend of L-Arginine and L-citrulline. This ensures you get the maximum benefit from these key ingredients. This blend supports nitric oxide production. This can help you power through your workouts and daily life. Fuel your workouts with these capsules. They may help improve your endurance and recovery time. This convenient bottle provides a 1-month supply. It's an easy way to add this supplement to your daily routine. It's made with care using non-GMO ingredients. You can trust that it meets our high-quality standards. This reliable and hassle-free supplement is ready when you are. Give it a try today. What we like. It's a potent blend to maximize benefits. It supports nitric oxide production for better workouts. If you need a 1-month supply to start, this is a great option for you. What people say. This stuff is potent. I only take 1 pill a day before my workouts and the energy levels are amazing. This has helped me get past my fitness plateau and it gets me a fantastic pump. I've used many arginine products from different suppliers, but Havasu Nutrition is the best by far. You can tell it's working after only a few days. You'll have more energy and feel motivated. It does wonders for the circulatory system. The high rating of Havasu's arginine looks too good to be true. But it's true. This is a quality product and Havasu is a quality company. Number 4. L-Arginine Capsules for Active Males. It's a powerful 1,200 mg blend of L-Arginine and L-citrulline. This ensures you get the maximum benefit from these key ingredients. This blend supports nitric oxide production. This can help you power through your workouts and daily life. Fuel your workouts with these capsules. They may help improve your endurance and recovery time. This convenient bottle provides a 2-month supply. It's an easy way to add this supplement to your daily routine. It's crafted with care using non-GMO ingredients. You can trust that it meets our high-quality standards. Experience the benefits for yourself. Order your supply of this reliable and hassle-free supplement today. What we like. This one also has a potent blend for maximum benefits and supports nitric oxide production. But it provides a 2-month supply, saving you money in the long run. If you prefer a longer supply, choose this one. What people say. This stuff is potent. I only take 1 pill a day before my workouts and the energy levels are amazing. This has helped me get past my fitness plateau and it gets me a fantastic pump. I've used many arginine products from different suppliers, but Havasu Nutrition is the best by far. You can tell it's working after only a few days. You'll have more energy and feel motivated. It does wonders for the circulatory system. The difference is obvious. This is a quality product and Havasu is a quality company. Number 3. Jacked Factory N.O XT. Introducing Jacked Factory N.O XT, the ultimate nitric oxide booster. It's designed to help you power through your workouts with increased strength and endurance. This cutting-edge formula delivers skin-tearing pumps by enhancing vascularity. Feel the difference as it fuels nutrient delivery to your muscles. N.O XT creates the perfect environment for muscle building. Increased blood flow enhances your pump's strength and helps you recover faster. It pushes your exercise to the next level. The synergistic blend of L-Arginine, L-citrulline, and nitrosogene increases nitric oxide production, delaying fatigue and boosting endurance. It uses only premium ingredients, including nitrosogene, the most potent form of L-Arginine. Combined with L-citrulline, L-glutathione, and biopyrine, it's a powerful nitric oxide supplement. Manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, it ensures purity and potency. It's free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes, so you can train with confidence. What we like. It's an elite booster for extreme pumps and endurance. It helps boost muscle growth and recovery. If you are looking for a serious pre-workout boost to take your workouts to the next level, this is for you. What people say. This stuff is legit for muscle growth and pumps. I've noticed some serious gains since I started taking N.O. XT. My muscles feel fuller and more vascular. The combo of nitrosogene L-Arginine and L-citrulline is like a dynamic duo for your veins. It enhances blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, so you can lift heavier and recover faster. Great pumps and added energy for your workouts that I have seen strength gains while using this product. Number 2. Beetroot Capsules, 1,200 mg. It's packed with 1,200 mg of pure beetroot powder per serving. This makes it ideal for athletic performance, blood pressure support, and digestive health. These supplements ensure the finest quality, using only pure beetroot powder. There are no artificial flavors or harmful additives. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, plus fiber, iron, and essential minerals. These support your daily well-being. These superior beetroot powder capsules are crafted in the USA under strict GMP standards. You'll receive pure and odorless beet powder. Made with care using non-GMO ingredients, we offer a 30-day money-back promise. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. What we like. This offers a high dose of pure beet powder per serving. It's great for athletic performance and blood pressure support. If you want a pure and potent beet supplement, this is a good choice. What people say. Great price, good quality, just pure beetroot powder capsules. Great for my BP and energy. These little capsules are packed with 1,200 mg of beetroot powder per serving. It has no taste and it goes down with ease. It's so worth looking into alternative healthy supplements versus pharmaceutical medication that doesn't heal, which actually down the road you end up taking something else for its side effects. Number 1. Snap Beetroot Powder Supplement. This is Snap Beetroot Powder, a USDA organic supplement. It's packed with nitrates and other nutrients to support your cardiovascular health. It helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. This is important for overall heart health and well-being. It promotes healthy blood flow and supports the health of your heart. It's a simple way to support your circulatory system. Experience increased energy and stamina naturally. It helps you power through your day without the jitters. This supplement is a 3-in-1 nitric oxide booster, combining beetroot, pomegranate, and red spinach. These red superfoods work together to support nitric oxide production in your body. It's manufactured in the United States using globally sourced ingredients. You can trust the quality and purity of this supplement. What we like. It's USDA organic and supports healthy blood pressure and circulation. It's a 3-in-1 nitric oxide booster with added benefits. If you are looking for a natural and organic way to boost nitric oxide and support your heart health, this is perfect for you. What people say. Excellent product. I drink 2 16 ounces a day. Blood pressure is in check and energy is soaring. This is a great source of nitric oxide. Taste is awesome. I like the taste and the smell. I am using it for its nitric oxide property, which I found helpful for blood flow. Very good for circulation. Very taste too, little sweet but is good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.